It's a beautiful day, yeah, yeah. Come to Funky Forest and stay, yeah, yeah. Oh, bro, bro, ooh, ooh, do do do.
Running strong, make a fire, 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 fire. Riding my bike through the snow, up and down the hill. Yo, 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 up the hill, down the hill that don't look like Brazil. More snow because I'm still.
The clouds are rolling in like wow. More snow for Vancouver Island now.
Funky Forest is the place.
Come and sit. We got space. Walking through the snow to Jacob Creek, wow.
What's up, my dudes, and what's up, my dudettes? Today I drove Kubotski and Fuzotski down to where the gravel is, and then I loaded Fuzotski with Kubotski, drove the gravel up to Marryfield, dumped a bunch of loads, and now I'm gonna go get Kubotski, drive it back up the hill, and then move the gravel that Fuzotski dumped there onto Marryfield.
Running the driver from the left side to the right. Gonna take about 3 tons, spread them in this side. Different times to shuffle, different times to drop down, different times to music, different times to now, different times to now. I'm for now.
So you might have noticed that I did not get Kubotsky up here. After thinking about it for a while, I realized I probably cannot spread the gravel as evenly with the excavator, and so I did it with the shovel.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. To you. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. To yourself.
Check out the difference between the west side of Maybe Mountain and the north side.
Sunset on the west side of Maybe Mountain, winter on the north side. Aye, aye, aye.
Of what's like to sit, rest for a bit. Sitting on the ground can be fun, but after a while you are done. So let's make a fine bench. Get out the best wrench. Take a slab of wood. Take a good old log. Yeah, we should. Some days there's fog. It's a beautiful day.
Check out what happens to the bubbles when you throw a rock onto the ice and it breaks through.
In the funky forest to stay.
Some trees fell over in the wind one day. Roman is not going to wait until May. Makes cuts here and there, making some benches, I swear. Yeah. Some trees fell over in the wind one day. Roman is not going to wait until May. Makes cuts here and there, making some benches, I swear. Yeah. Yo. Yeah.
Benches are done. Easy now. They're not actually done. But they look, I think they're gonna look okay. They don't have any screws in them. They're super wonky right now. But pretty happy how things went. I was just gonna say I didn't get injured. Nothing broke. Check out the sunset. It's pretty amazing.
The sun is setting, ships are getting the open.